So we've been flipping back and forth between internal libraries and external libraries. Let's come back to internal libraries. Well, the one I'm going to show you is called Navigator. So right now, when you click this button, copy text, it doesn't do anything. It just calls this copy text function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to console.log the Navigator object. And if I click copy text, this Navigator object pops up. And it says that I am using something from Google Inc. And there's actually a whole bunch of data in here, and I'd really rather you not know that about my computer, so I am not going to open up that data object. But what I am going to show you is that that data object has a lot of values in it. So if we come back over here and we type navigator dot, you can see that there's a whole bunch of information here. So I could say navigator.geolocation.get current position, and that would return my current position, which I'm definitely not going to run because I really don't want to dox myself. I could say navigator dot clipboard dot write text. What that does is it allows me to write text onto the clipboard. So for example, if we wanted this copy text button to work, if I come here and paste it, you can see that the tag I have copied right now is the script tag for the CDN. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to say go to the navigator, access the clipboard, and write text. And what do I want to write? Well, let's write the value from the text box. So I'm going to say document let value equal document dot query selector, and I'm going to grab the input tag and I'm going to get its value. And here in the write text, I'm going to write that value. So I'm going to save that. Now when I click copy text, when I come down here and click paste, it has the data directly out of this text box. So if I change this to say hello world, and then I click copy text and I paste it, you can see it copied hello world. And so now I can programmatically control the clipboard. And there's a whole bunch of things that you can do, and they're all built into Navigator, but that's about where we'll stop for now, and I'll let you do some more research on that on your own.